Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Unit 3 Dynamics. Today's goal is Newton's laws of motion. In this class, we are going to discuss about first law of motion. Remember that this lecture is declared by Dr. Muhammad Umar. Dear students, Newton's laws of motion. In this class, we only discuss about first law of motion. We can define Newton's first law of motion is a body continues its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless an external force acts on it. It is statement of first law of motion. Examples of first law of motion. Number 1. The table placed in your classroom, it always remains at the same place until you apply some force to move it. Number 2 example. A book placed on the table remains at its place unless some people or someone picks it back. Similarly, example number 3, a satellite in the space continuously moves with constant speed because there is no air or force of friction in the space. From above three examples, first two examples deals with when body at rest state. Last example deals with when body at motion state. Newton's first law is also called law of inertia. Here word inertia is comes, so we first discuss about inertia. What is inertia? Inertia is the property of an object due to which it tends to continue its state of rest or motion. Inertia is a resistance to change the state. It means if a body is at rest, it wants to remain in this state. On the other hand, other body is at state of motion. He wants to remain of this state of motion. So this is called inertia. Example of inertia. When a bus starts moving, the passenger feel a backward jerk because their lower part of body moves along the motion of bus, but upper part of the body tends to stay at its initial position of rest. So this is suitable and the best example of inertia, because Newton's first law is also called law of inertia. Due to inertia and Newton's first law states same thing. So this is our first law of motion, which is declared by me in this class. I hope you are all understand. If any confusion, any question or any query, you can ask me through comment section box. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.